All right, so our next feature is our pipelines, opportunities, and dashboard. So, this is the dashboard that you will see every time you log into your account. And what it will do is it will tell you, because we've set it up to, it will tell you, how many brides have connected with you, what each bride is worth to you. And then if you've actually converted them into a paying customer, it will give you a percentage of the brides that you've won and the brides that you've lost, etc., etc. So, it will tell you whether things are working for you or not, which is awesome. You can obviously do SMSs and phone calls through this. You can track phone calls. You can link up Trello, which is a calling app. So you can have a business number if you wanted to. It is an additional charge for that, and you can buy text credits. You get some text credits free in your account. But you can buy text credits as well. So these are just kind of little extra things that they're extras, as in you don't have to have them, but you can if you want to. They're sort of optional inquiries. I love having text credits because it means I can text my brides and remind them of their bookings. So this is what the dashboard looks like when you log in. But like I said, it's linked to our inquiries and our inquiry form, so our opportunities. I'm going to just click onto this. So what I've done is pre-built some a bride inquiry pipeline. So within that pipeline, what I'm tracking, particularly for this client, and you can have this will actually get put into your account as well, that you can use and adjust accordingly. It's like a template for you. So the things I'm tracking for the hair and makeup artist that I'm designing this one for is she wants to see how many people have submitted a quote, how many brides have actually booked an appointment. Then we're going to look at, did they pay? Have they booked their wedding and paid? Have they not paid just yet? I might change those around. If they're not paid just yet, we could keep an eye on that. Perhaps they need some more time, so they're not actually ready. You don't think they're going to book within the next couple of days, so you can just kind of just keep track of those people, keep them in your pipeline, so that you're keeping an eye on them. But they could turn into customers down the road. And then you can also have track people that didn't turn up. So they didn't turn up to their appointment. Hopefully this is kind of like 0 to 1, because the idea will be is that the only reason why they wouldn't show is because they just don't want to turn up, because we're going to give them ample opportunities to have lots and lots of reminders. So it wouldn't be that they weren't reminded, it would, or that they forgot, because they wouldn't be able to forget. But we keep track of those things as well. It's important to give them an opportunity to maybe rebook. So that's how the pipelines work. And then the opportunities, it basically, whenever the bride connects with Emma, my client here, it'll create a client card that you can edit. It'll give you all the information about the bride. And it will also give you information that you've requested from her from the booking. So that's a very basic overview, the opportunities in pipeline. And as I said, it will show up in the dashboard. Eventually, once we've got some stats in there, it will create some pie charts and some diagrams, etc., etc. So that'll all go in there as she gets started with her account.